Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, and this is going to be a members only video, and in this video we are going to discuss about physics, the syllabus for physics and how you can score good mark. What are the chapters that you should attempt so that you get good and positive marks in NMAT. Okay, so I know most of you would be facing problem reading physics because obviously your target should be on chemistry, biology and paper 1 so that you can easily clear NMAT, but you can't leave physics blank. Okay, you are going to attempt all the questions of physics because you need to attempt, because there are no negative markings and you will get enough time to go through the physics questions. So I'll tell you some important chapters from which generally the questions come in NMAT, and if you read these chapters at least from 30 you can solve 15 to 20 questions. And in one thing in NMAT is all the questions that come in physics, 20 to 25 questions are only formula based questions. If you know the formulas, you can easily put the formulas and get the answers. It's very easy. Okay, and all are literally formula based questions. So I'll tell you some chapters, go through this, keep the formulas in mind and you can easily clear. And I'm not asking you to read physics, okay, but know the formulas of these chapters at least. And I'll also provide you material, but that is only going to be a quick go through material for formulas for physics. And yeah, obviously the questions I'll provide, it's your duty to do the questions, solve them and better be prepared for physics. The first topic is going to be from 11th. It carries a lot of weightage even if in NEET and even if in NMAT, that is mechanics. In mechanics there is kinematics 1, kinematics 2, vector, laws of motion, circular motion, NLM, and momentum and impulse, work, power, energy, and fluid mechanics. So 11th all mechanics, go through this and you will easily score 10 to 15 questions correct. Okay, if you don't have time, just go through mechanics, don't go to the other chapters that I'll say, but definitely go through mechanics. Only the formulas, nothing else, only the formulas. Remember the major formulas and that's it. Okay, and then optics, wave optics. Mainly here the questions come from wave optics, it isn't ray optics. Mainly the questions come from wave optics, that interference, dark interference, that is a topic from which the questions come, and light and all that. Yeah. So if you want, you can read thermodynamics. In thermodynamics, the questions that come in NMAT are directly asked from the formulas that are there in thermodynamics, nothing else, direct formulas and direct the descriptions that, like in adiabatic process it is equal to 0 or not equal to 0, like this. All questions are isothermal, equal to 0 or not equal to 0, all the questions are like this. Like, it's very easy, go through the formulas, that's it. And if you want, you can go for modern physics. I think, yeah, you should go for modern physics. One is kinematics in class 11 that you have read whole kinematics, kinematics 1, kinematics 2, Newton's laws of motion, circular motion, NLM, work, power, energy, fluid mechanics. This is a major portion with chunks of 10 to 15 questions. Another topic is modern physics. There will be 4 chapters, atoms, nuclei and all that. These 4 chapters around constitute for 7 to 8 questions. Okay, so better go through these chapters and you'll easily solve 15 to 20 questions. If not, just in physics pick a part, like one chapter only pick. Okay, it can be, you can pick mechanics. Okay, the chapters I said for mechanics, or only pick modern physics, or only pick thermodynamics. You can pick one chapter so that you can do at least 10 questions correct, so that you can easily clear NMAT. So this should be our focus, and mainly our focus should be on chemistry, biology and the first paper. And literally the first paper is going to help you to clear NMAT, so focus on first paper. And yeah, obviously and I know your biology is already good, so focus on biology a bit more and also on chemistry. So that's it for the video, and in the next video I'll do of chemistry, and then I'll send you questions. Obviously I'll send you questions of physics, and also I have that formula, I have 2-3 I had got from some Google Drive. I'll send you that so that you can revise it, or if you don't want to read physics, you can still only go through the formulas, by heart the formulas, and try to solve some questions. It will be beneficial for you. You can literally score good marks in physics. So yeah, that's it for the video. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. That's it.